Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a guide on how to use Notion for novel research and planning, perfect for all you aspiring authors out there. Ready? Let's get started. First up, setting up your workspace. In Notion, create a new page and name it after your novel. This will be your central hub for everything related to your novel. This step is crucial as it helps to keep all your novel-related information organized and accessible in one place. Now that we've done that, let's add some structure. Create subpages for characters, plot, and research. This helps us because it offers a systematic way to compartmentalize different aspects of your novel and makes it easier to find specific information. Next up, let's populate those pages. On the Characters page, make a list of all your characters and include a table for each with details like their background, personality traits, and relationships. This is important because it allows you to flesh out your characters and keep track of their development throughout the story. Moving on to the Plot page, create a timeline of your novel's events. This helps you visualize the sequence of events, identify any plot holes, and ensure a smooth narrative flow. Finally, the Research page. Here, store all your research material, like articles, images, and notes. The reason we do this is to have a repository of all your research in one place, which can be referred to whenever necessary. Let me explain why this matters. Organizing your research makes it easier to find and use relevant resources when you're actually writing. It's like having a personal library tailored to your novel. Now, you might be wondering what's happening behind the scenes as we do this. Essentially, Notion is helping to streamline your novel writing process, making it more efficient and less overwhelming. So, my fellow writers, that's how you use Notion for novel research and planning. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and systematic. This way, you can focus more on the creative process and less on managing your resources. That's all for today's guide. Now go out there and start planning your masterpiece.